Replacing the Keypad PCB for Q2i and TA200 Plus. Unscrew the 4 screws at the back of the terminal by using a screwdriver. Remove the back casing. Unplug the connector at the Keypad PCB. The flexi flat cable at the function key PCB. The flexi flat cable at the optical scanner. The antenna connector. Speaker connector. And finally the LED indicator connector. Unplug the 2 flexi flat cables that are connected to the Keypad PCB. Unscrew all 4 screws holding the Keypad PCB. Replace the Keypad PCB with the new one. Tighten all 4 screws to hold the Keypad PCB firmly. Plug in the flexi flat cables back to the Keypad PCB. Carefully insert the flexi flat cable back to the function key PCB. Insert the flexi flat cable back to the optical scanner. Plug in the Keypad PCB connector from the main controller unit back to the Keypad PCB. Plug in the connector for the LED indicator. Speaker. And antenna cable back to the main controller unit. Place the back cover back to its original position. Tighten the 4 screws. Plug in the power connector. And turn on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.